Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can add contact forms in WordPress. Open up your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins option in the side panel. Now, click on Add New Plugin and search for Form in the search bar. Now click on the shown plugin and install it by clicking on Install. Now, once it's installed, click on Activate. Now go to the Installed Plugins section and you can see the contact form. Plugin is installed. Now you will see a new option in your side panel named WP Forms. Go to it and select Add New. Now you can make your own forms. You can start with a blank page or a template. We will be using a template. Click on Use Template. Now you can customize your form according to your liking by adding or removing fields. You can add fields from the sidebar. Once you are done customizing, click on Save. Now go to a page of yours. Now using the plus icon, find your WP form option and drag it to your page according to your liking. Now select the form you made from the drop-down menu. Now click on Update and your form is added to your page. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.